Dear students, welcome to my video. Chapter 7 Triangles Part 2. Today we are going to discuss some problems related to congruence of triangle. Question number 1. In quadrilateral ACBD, AC equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. Show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. What can you say about BC and PD? Very simple question we have to consider. Here we have a quadrilateral ACBD and AB is the diagonal of this quadrilateral. So we get two triangles. One is triangle ABC and next triangle ABD. So we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. See the figure. Here given that AC equal to AD are equal, and also the question is given that AB bisect angle A. That means the diagonal AB bisect the angle A means angle CAB is equal to angle BAD. So we can write angle CAB equal to angle DAB. In the bracket AB bisect angle A. Then the third measure is AB is the common side of these two triangles. That means AB equal to AB, it is common side. So three pairs of measurements of these both triangles are equal. Corresponding three sides are equal in these two triangles. That means by using SAS congruence rule, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. So it is proved these two triangles are congruent by using SAS congruence rule. So we can say BC equal to BD by corresponding parts of congruent triangle, that is CPCT. Why? See the figure. Angle CAB and angle BAD are equal. Opposite of these two angles, what are the sides? BC and BD. So they are equal in a congruent triangle by CPCT. Okay. So BC and BD are both equal lengths. The next question, AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Show that CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB means what? CD is the line segment. That line segment cut into equally by AB. That means OB equal to OA. We have to show OB equal to OA. So consider the triangles, triangle BOC and triangle AOD. The question is given that AD and BC are equal and it is a perpendicular line. That means angle A and angle B making an angle 90 degree. So here angle BOC equal to angle AOD, vertically opposite angle. So they are equal. Then second one, angle CBO and angle DAO each 90 degree, because the question is given that it is 90 degree. Then BC equal to AD, that is also given. So we can say by AAS congruence rule, triangle BOC congruent to triangle AOD. Then we can say BO and AO are equal by corresponding parts of congruent triangle by CPCT. Therefore, CD bisects AB. The next problem, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC and angle GAB equal to angle CBA. Prove that sub-question A, triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. Sub-question B, BD equal to AC, and the sub-question C, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Then consider the triangle ABD and triangle BAC. So here the question is given that AD equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA also given. And we know AB is the common side of these two triangles. So they are equal. AB equal to BA or AB equal to AB. Therefore, we can say by using SAS congruence rule, triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. Therefore, sub-question 2, BD equal to AC by CPCT, and sub-question C, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC by CPCT. That means corresponding parts of congruent triangle, because the two triangles are already proved they are congruent. So we can say that two measurement or that two pair of measurements are in the that two congruent triangle. Therefore, by CPCT we can say that two pair of measurements are equal. The next question, line L is the bisector of an angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. Show that sub question A, triangle ABP congruent to triangle AQB, and sub question B, BP equal to BQ, or B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. So in the figure, see, L is the line and angle A. We have a angle A. That line is bisecting the angle A, and B is any point on L. So B is the point. We taking a point B on the line L and draw two perpendicular lines to the arms of angle ABP and BQ, that is perpendicular line 90 degree, each 90 degree. Okay, so we have to prove first one that two triangles are congruent. Consider the two triangle APB and triangle AQB. Here angle APB is equal to angle AQB. Each angle is 90 degree. It is given in the figure. Then angle PAB is equal to angle QAB, because L is the angle bisector of angle A. So that two angles are equal. Then again AB is the common side of these two triangles. So AB equal to AB, that is common side. Therefore we can say by AAS congruence rule, triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. By CPCT we can say BP equal to BQ. It can be said that B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. Okay. Then one more question. L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. Show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. For this, we have to consider triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Here the question is given that L and M are parallel lines and P and Q are also parallel lines. Then there is a AC cut by a diagonal, and we have two triangle, one is ABC and one is CDA. So we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. For this we take angle BAC equal to angle DCA. These are alternate interior angles, because see in the figure angle BAC and angle DCA are alternate angle because they are parallel lines. So we know in a parallel lines cut by a transversal, so these two angles are equal. Okay, then AC equal to AC, that is common side of these two triangle, and angle BCA equal to angle DAC, that is also alternate angles, as L is parallel to M. So we can say by ASA congruence rule, triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.